In this video, you'll learn how to update your profile in Kimi AI, as this process will guide you through the necessary steps to make changes to your account settings, such as your username and phone number. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may delay loading times. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the option labeled Settings. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen, providing easy access to your account configuration. After locating Settings, click on it. This action will redirect you to a new screen where various account options will be displayed. You will see multiple sections related to your account, making it easier to find the settings you wish to update. Next, find and click on the section labeled Code 003. This section may contain specific features or settings related to your account profile. Once you click it, the interface will refresh, presenting you with more detailed options regarding your account. Afterward, look for the Account Settings option and click on it. This section is essential for managing your personal information. Upon clicking, you should see various fields that allow you to edit your profile information, including your username and contact details. Now proceed to click on Edit Username. Make sure to enter a new username that adheres to the platform's guidelines. Once you have entered the desired username, confirm the change to ensure it is saved correctly. Following this, click on the field for phone number. Enter your updated phone number here. This is important for account security and recovery options. After entering your number, confirm the change to finalize the update. Next, locate and click on third-party login if you wish to modify any linked accounts. This section will allow you to manage connections to other services you may have linked to your Kimi AI account. Adjust these settings as needed and confirm any changes made. Finally, return to account settings to review all the changes you have made. Ensure everything is correct and save any final adjustments. It's vital to regularly update your profile to keep your account secure and up to date. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.